Hello, hello, hello. Goodison Gamer here, once again. Welcome to Buggy Boy on the Commodore Amiga. Okay, so I reviewed the Buggy Boy on the Commodore 64 version recently. It was awesome, very awesome. I had a lot of nostalgia with it because I played it back in my childhood and I still loved it, playing it again. So now, let's take a look at the Amiga version here. Yeah, it's the same tracks as the Commodore 64 version. So let's start from the beginning here. And I shall try to take the flags in right order as well now. So here we are. I push upwards on my analog stick here and change gears with my A button. So my flags is up in the right corner there. Yeah, I took the first one, a blue. Now I need the turquoise. Is that the word? Turquoise. There I missed it. Now I need a purple. Oh, sorry. Purple flag. Oops, too many rocks in the way. There is a purple. I missed the yellow. There's a yellow, and here is a oof, it's tight there. Now I need a red one. There is a red one. I missed it. I have 15 seconds to go here to my checkpoint. There. Now I have all of them. Fuck. There is the checkpoint. Second leg here. Let's continue collecting flags in right order. I missed the yellow one there. There's a yellow one again. Fuck, I missed it. Another yellow. There you go. There's a red one. Oof. More time, please. Turquoise. I missed it. It was located pretty bad there. There it is. Oh, I missed it again. Where are you, turquoise flag? There is a turquoise flag. I missed it. Now I need a blue flag. There it is. Now a purple one. It's an awesome game, this one. This is the graphical improvement is very, very apparent. But I mean the Commodore 64 version, it has its charm. The graphic was not the best one, but it doesn't really matter because the playability was there. There it is. This is just awesome graphics. Very much improved. Now I need a purple. There it is. Now I need a yellow flag. There it is. Diddly 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 diddly. Yoo-hoo. Wee. Yeah, now I need this one. There's a football. Yoo-hoo. Now I need a blue flag. Oh, crazy. There it is. Yeah. So that gives me more points, but I have not figured out how many points extra they give me when I collected all of them in right order. Oh, there's a fourth leg here. Doing pretty okay here, in my opinion here. I'm pretty happy about it. Wait, now I need a purple flag. There it is. I missed the yellow, but there's another one. Now I need a red one. Where are you, red flag? There it is, but I couldn't take it. Ooh, that part of the track was pretty tricky. There it is. Diddly 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 diddly. Diddly diddly. Oh, football. Bleow. In time. Yeah. Oh, now there's a rock here in the way. I managed to avoid it. Oh, sorry. I messed around with the gears there. Now I need a purple flag. There is this. Diddly 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 diddly. And the fifth flag here. Oh, last second. Yeah, it's an awesome game. Brilliant. Oops. Oops, slow down there. Oh shit. Now I need a turquoise flag. Turquoise. Oh shit. Oh, that hit the ball. Oof. Now I need a yellow flag. I'm running out of time here. And I end up in the lake. No, I'm running out of time. Yeah, but okay. No problem. So let's see if I end up in the scoreboard. Yes. Hey. Awesome. There you go. First place, 62,200 something. 270. Okay, so let's try one or two here. We can go with north. Yeah. So here we are, somewhere in the world. I have not figured out if this is US based tracks or if there is Europeans, but never mind. So now I need a yellow. Oh shit, it's this one. It's pretty long, this one. Oh, I will not make it. Much more difficult than the off-road. Ooh. Now I need the purple one. There it is. Now a blue one. Oh, let's jump over here. Oh, there are too many obstacles. There more time, thank you. There is a blue one. Yes. Oops, time, I missed it. Ooh. Yellow flag, where are you? I'm running out of time. Shit. Yeah, I was pretty close there. Oh, 9th position. $10,130 points, okay? Let's take the last one here. No, let's take this one. This was more straightforward, but it looks. So this will be the last for this video. And I would like to dedicate this video to my viewer Ari from Suomi, Finland. Happy birthday, mate. I know you like this one, this game. It was part of your starter pack for Amiga. I think you mentioned that in the earlier Buggy Boy review. Oops. So this one is for you, Ari. Happy 39th birthday, mate. Shit. Hyvä Suomi. Neighbor country. Awesome. Whee! Ooh. Can I make it to the next checkpoint? I need a red flag. There it is. Yes. Of course, one don't need to take them in order, but I think it's fun actually. Ooh, fuck! 8 seconds. Come on, push it, 5 seconds. I'm getting there. There it is. Yes! Blue one. There one. And here we have street lights in the middle of the road. What the hell? Who designed this one? Ooh. Shit, this is very suicidal to drive here. Oh, another bridge. Oh, oh, it's a long one. Shit. Ooh. Let's jump over here. Purple flag, please. Oh, another bridge. Ooh, I did it. Almost. Yes, I'm closing in on this checkpoint. Last seconds, 2 to go. Okay. Oh, what the hell did I do that for? Yes, I managed to take all the flags here. Down. Oh, look at that time banner. Oh, I managed to take that. Ooh. Oh, there are so many obstacles here. Completely madness. No, shit. But I have a lot of time. I think I'm gonna make it. Let's jump over here. Down. Down. Do. 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 Ah. Oh, I missed the time there, but never mind. I think I'm gonna make it. 40 seconds to go. Come on, push it, push it, push it. You little buggy boy. Yeah, there it is. I see the checkpoint. Bow. Down. 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 Doodly 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 doodly. Ah. Oh, obstacles here. Let's go up here. Doodoo. Doodoo. Oh. Ah. Come on, push it, push it, push it. Can I make this track? It would be cool. Oops. Rah. Dude. Hey. Ooh. That gives me extra points as well when I drive into the ball there. Oops. Oil and shit. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, 5. Oh, no. No, I'm running out of time. Almost. 2 checkpoints to go. Yeah. Where do I get on the scoreboard? First place. Awesome. So there you go, Buggy Boy on Amiga. Bloody brilliant. Awesome game. I mean, the Commodore 64 version is awesome as well. It's for nostalgia reason, I gave this. I mean, it's the nostalgia and playability that was awesome. The graphics is much better here on Amiga. So I'm going to give this game, this version, 9 out of 10 as well. There you go, but I do prefer this Amiga version slightly over the Commodore 64 version. It's just brilliant. It's a game everyone can pick up. It's so addictive. Everyone can pick it up and have a good time with it. It doesn't matter. It still holds up all these years later. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Take care of yourselves and have a good one. Goodbye.